What's up, everybody? So, new channel here. We're doing all sorts of things, car parts, fixing up cars. So we actually just got our first one in today. It's a Nissan, it's a 91 Nissan, and we got it for $1,000, something like that. It's been sitting for 5 years. We got it running, and so yeah, let me just turn the camera around and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here it is. There's a few rust spots on it. Right here, there's one. Other than that, it's not in bad shape. It's manual. It's pretty dirty. I mean, that's what we get for letting it sit for 5 years, but you got on the odometer 152,000 miles. Speakers aren't actually in the car right now, so we'll have to do that. But yeah. You just clean the back. We should have done it before, but it's pretty dirty, so he's gonna get it all washed up and cleaned up. There's a few rust spots, but they're not bad. I mean, there's nothing that can't be fixed. The seats are in pretty good condition considering it's been sitting for so long, but starting everything in the back. It's got a big crack in the windshield, but he has a spare one that we're gonna put on. So we're back. Finishing up the detailing on the inside, interior. It is looking pretty good. So here's the dash now. I'm really surprised that there's no cracks, aren't you?
Yeah.
For sitting for 5 years, you'd think there'd be a few cracks, but
Being a 91.
yeah, true. But it's in pretty good. The check engine light comes on.
Fuck you. There's no check engine light. It's just all the lights turn on when
I know, I'm kidding. So, we wired the speakers, but for some reason, when we were wiring it, we'd pop the hood, and when it'd get like halfway closed, this speaker would go all like nutty. So, we just wired one. And yeah. I don't know if I showed them under the hood. We cleaned under the hood too a little bit with the shop vac. So it's still pretty dirty, but I mean up there looks a lot better than it did. So yeah. Overall, it looks like it's in pretty good shape, so. Finishing up. We need to get some restoring for these. Put the life back into them. And now, we gotta take her to be washed.
Purple hearts all on my garment, I ain't trusting the sun. Purple hearts all on my garment, I ain't trusting the sun. I roll up up to Mary Jane, no they can't feel my pain. I'm still trapping every day, I think I'm stuck in my ways. If you looking for a handout, get the fuck out my face. I don't care about no friends because they all were just fake. In my inbox like I owe you, I got this by myself. I was broken down bad when you said you would help. Now I'm up, they love to hate me, that's just bad for your health. And she say she a college girl but left her books on the shelf. She gon' fuck me like a porn star, a rock star, tryna skirt off in that fast car, like NASCAR. Girl, you know I got a cold heart. If I would give it to you, would you tear that shit apart? Red roses on my grave, bury me with art, and with some backwards and a lighter just so I can spark. Midnight rider, never put the car in park. I'm shining bright just like a light cause I came from the dark. And I got all the drugs in the world that you need. We get high to pass time, but bitch, I ain't no fiend. I got money on my mind, I be stacking my green. Shawty say she like my style, I be dripping with ease. Please don't send me naked pictures, I don't like to be teased. Say she got that super soaker, well girl, just let me see. I ain't worried about shit, these niggas ain't scaring me. I was destined for this life, it's in my destiny. Friends wanna be friends when you doing the most. How you tell me you my bro, then you went out and told. Niggas say they down to ride, but be folding like clothes. Purple hearts all on my garment, I ain't trusting the soul.